Hi, Mrs. Sen. Oh, hi. How are you? Well, we are all doing good. And how are you? Yeah, fine. By the way, how much did your son score in the math exam? Yesterday they were shown their results. Oh yes, he did well. He scored 75 this time. He improved a lot. Oh, okay, not bad. What is your son's marks? Oh God, you have no idea how disappointed he was yesterday. Since then, he hasn't been eating properly. What? As much as I know, your son is very good at maths. How much did he score? He got 97 this time. What? 97 is a quite good marks. Why is he so unhappy? Actually, he expected full marks in his math exam. And he doesn't know what mistake he made in his paper. I'm also very worried about it. Well, you should review the copy then. Oh yes, I have to talk to the principal about it. By the way, I heard that your son won the chess competition. Congrats! Thank you. Next Saturday, he will go to Delhi for the national level. He is going to represent his school. I'm so proud of him. Well, my son also wanted to participate, but I strictly said no. It would have wasted too much time. Yeah, that's right. But my son is very interested in chess, and I always encourage him to do what he likes. That's right. Anyway, have you heard about the new teacher? Which teacher are you talking about? Do you mean their new English teacher? Yes, I have heard that she is very rude. Well, I have only heard that she gives a lot of homework to the students. Not only that, if someone fails to finish their homework on time, she punishes them brutally. That's not nice at all. Previous week, she punished a kid so badly that his parents came to complain to the principal. What? I did not know this at all. What is her name? I don't know her name, but I saw her once. I heard someone call her Miss Chawla. When did you see her? The day before yesterday. I saw her when she was entering the school. She was wearing too much makeup on her face. And her dress, oh my God, I don't even want to talk about it. But we should be worried about her behavior. If she continues to behave like this, then we have to complain together. You're right. Let's see for a few more days. If she changes her behavior, then that's great. Otherwise, we have to take a decision. Okay, Mrs. Sin, I have to go. I basically have to submit the fees. By the way, have you seen the fee structure for the next year? Yes, it's so shocking. They are even adding the fees of some extracurricular activities which were free till now. I think we should talk about it in the next parents-teacher meeting. If most of the parents raise this issue, then I'm sure they'll reconsider. That's a great idea. Okay, bye for now. Take care. Okay, Mrs. Sen, bye. So, this was the conversation between two parents, two mothers, and now is the time for the question. The question for you all is, how much did Mrs. Sen's son score in the math exam? Make sure to answer this question in the comment box below. I'd eagerly be waiting for your answers. That's it for today. If you like this video, then click on the like button, and if you want more such conversation related videos, then don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Meet you in the next video with another interesting conversation. Thank you. Bye.